What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. This is how we made about $918 today trading on No News Monday. We took one trade on NQ. If you guys want to join the Discord, link is in the pinned comment. And if you guys want a discount with Alpha Futures, link is in the pinned comment as well. And all my links for mentorship, all that stuff's in the description. Again, in the Discord every single day, I talk about the trades I'm taking. As you can see, P&L, executions, and all that stuff. I talked about basically all I was looking for the day. I have pre-market analysis in there every single day, so if you guys are interested, the link for that is in the description and the pinned comment. But I'm going to run through this really quick. I have to re-upload this. I've had Wi-Fi issues all day. My Wi-Fi just came back on, and then I uploaded the video, and then there was something wrong with the sound, so now I got to redo it. So I'm going to run through this really quick. But coming into the day today, I said that I was leaning more bullish because we had all of these draws on liquidity. We had London high, we had these hourly highs, Asia highs, and all this leading up to the previous day high, which is obviously our all-time high. So starting off at market open, we had this initial push to the upside, and we ended up taking out London high. But from there, we ended up filling in this 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here, and this was around 940 or 945. And I said, if we had a 5-minute gap, I wanted to see it give us guidance. We want to see a 5-minute fair value gap for guidance. So basically my idea was if this gap flips, we're probably going to be looking to take out the sell side, potentially down into London low. But if we continue to hold this gap, we're going to be looking for continuations likely up to the previous day high, because that's going to be our top draw on liquidity after running through all of these relative equal highs, right? So price comes into this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and we start to respect it. So at this point, I'm leaning obviously bullish. We have draws on liquidity above. And on top of that, at the same time, if you look at ES at this exact same time is maintaining bullish order flow. So if we look at 940, 945, ES is maintaining bullish order flow. It's not, disrespecting and pushing bearish. It's respecting within this 4-minute bullish fair value gap, and it has draws higher as well. So ES has room to run up, and NQ has room to run up. Has draws and liquidity on both. Therefore, they're correlated, and I can look for buys if the opportunity presents itself. So price comes in and wicks into this 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here, and we're maintaining bullish order flow. So at this point, I'm scaling down and I'm looking for the highest time frame inversion to take an entry off of. We don't have anything on the 4 or the 3 or the 2 minutes, and then finally on the 1 minute, we end up getting a nice entry right here. We have this 1-minute bearish fair value gap get inversed right here. We get the retrace back in, and then we end up getting a nice bullish close out. Now I wanted to take the entry ideally like right here on the retrace right back in, but again, I was having problems with the internet, and I was using a hotspot and all this stuff, so everything was just screwed up. But I ended up getting a bit of a late entry at 850, but still gave me a little bit extra confirmation. Stops below the 1-minute inverse, and I basically took profit, first take profit at the Asia high, and then I scaled the second contract out fully just at these swing hourly highs right here. I wanted to run it to previous day high, but again, this was a no news Monday. I didn't want to be greedy, and I didn't want to see price draw down and take me out break even before running to previous day high, which we did have that sell off right there, and obviously full take profit would have been hit right here. So the full trade would have been about 2.66 R. We ended up catching just over 2, which is fine by me. We ended up scaling out pretty much perfectly, and I'm happy to walk away with that. Again, plus 900 for funded on the day. Again, we deliver out of a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. We have ES correlating bullish as well. We have draws and liquidity higher. We inverse this 1-minute gap. We get the retrace back in. We take entry, and we take profit at the draws and liquidity up. Again, full take profit would have been previous day high, but it's fine. We end up closing just a few points shy, but that's fine with me. Again, on a no news Monday, I'm not trying to be greedy and give my profits back. I want to get my profits run and then be ready for the rest of the week. So that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. I have camera and stuff coming in this week, so I'm going to be working on recording my full trade sessions and live trading and all that stuff soon. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Again, link for the Discord is in the pinned comment, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.